Waking up in the morning.
Yes, in history.
Okay, I'm trying. Kareem, are you awake?
Yes, almost.
Ah, very good.
Yes, right away. Why?
Okay, I'll be quick. Lena, are you ready?
Is it already 7 o'clock?
Look on the table. Did you find it?
Very good.
Put it in your bag. Do you have your book? Check carefully. Are you doing your homework?
Yes, now.
Very good.
I want to finish early.
Good idea.
Afterwards, I can rest.
Exactly.
Today, I have a lot of work.
Which subject?
Math, English, and French.
Start with math.
Yes, it's the hardest.
Do you understand the lesson?
Not very well.
Show me the exercise.
Do you want to watch TV?
Yes, why not?
Tonight, there is a movie. What genre? A comedy. Very good. Do you like comedies?
Yes, a lot.
Me too. I don't want anything sad. Me neither. Today, I am tired. Yes, me too.
Hello. What would you like to do? I would like to change some money. I have dollars. And you want euros? Yes, exactly. How much do you want to change? $200. Okay. One moment. I'll look at the rate. Hello, Mrs. Sophie. Hello. Come in. Is everything okay? Yes, but I have a small problem. I want to make a cake, but I'm out of sugar. Ah, I see. I'm sorry to disturb you. Not at all. How much do you want? Here is the sugar. Thank you very much. I'll give it back to you tomorrow.
Hi, Nadia. Hi, Sammy. Are you free now? Yes, a little.
Shall we have a coffee?
Good idea. There is a cafe near here. What are you having? A cafe au lait. And you? An espresso, as always.
Are you looking for someone? Yes, I'm looking for the site manager. That's me. I am the site manager. Ah, sorry. Nice to meet you. I am the new mason. Ah, yes, Mr. DuPont, right? Welcome to the site. Excuse me, sir. Is this seat free? Yes, of course. Sit down. Thank you. It's beautiful today. Yes, very beautiful. It's sunny. I like this park. I come here often during my lunch break. Do you work near here? Yes, in that white building over there. I am an accountant.